If you're looking to accelerate growth while managing costs, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll simplify cost structures in sales and marketing, giving you practical insights you can apply immediately. So, what exactly is a cost structure? In simple terms, it's a breakdown of all the charges your business incurs to drive sales and marketing success. By understanding it, you can identify areas to reduce expenses, streamline operations, and make smarter decisions for growth. Now let's break down the components of a cost structure, starting with fixed costs. These are the expenses that remain relatively constant regardless of your sales volume. Think rent for your office space, salaries for your full-time employees, and essential software subscriptions. Next up, we have variable costs which fluctuate based on your sales or production levels. These could include sales commissions or advertising expenses which vary depending on your campaign reach. Finally, we have semi-variable costs, a hybrid of the previous two, like your phone bill with a fixed monthly charge and variable international call fees. Now, let's dive into the different types of costs you'll encounter in your sales and marketing efforts. First, we have direct costs, which are directly tied to producing or delivering your product or service. In marketing, this could be the cost of printing brochures or online advertising fees. Then, there are indirect costs, often referred to as overhead expenses. These financial obligations are necessary to run your business, but aren't directly linked to a specific product or service. Think about things like rent, utilities, and administrative salaries. Finally, we have customer acquisition costs, which are the average amount you spend to acquire a new customer. Let's dive into the factors influencing cost structure in marketing and sales, starting with the scale of operations. As your business expands, economies of scale reduce per-unit outlays as production or sales volumes increase. Next, industry-specific costs significantly affect your budget, with certain sectors having higher marketing expenses. Customer segments and target markets also play an important role in guiding your budget allocation, especially when targeting niche audiences. Finally, marketing channels matter. Digital options tend to be more cost-effective than traditional or omni-channel approaches. Moving on to common marketing costs, here are the typical expenses you'll face. Advertising is a major budget item, including PPC campaigns, SEO, social media ads, and traditional methods. Content creation also adds up, covering blogs, videos, graphics, and other assets. Software and tools like CRM systems, analytics platforms, and marketing automation are crucial for your efforts. Lastly, campaign execution fees, such as events, promotions, and email marketing, are central to consider. Shifting focus to common sales costs, these are the key expenses that drive sales operations. First, salaries and commissions for your sales team are among the largest costs. Next, investing in sales training and development ensures your team has the right skills to succeed. Travel and client meetings also increase expenditures, as they're vital for relationship building and deal closing. Finally, tools like sales CRM, automation software, and analytics platforms are critical for lead management and optimizing performance. Moving on to budgeting for sales and marketing costs, it's essential to have a structured approach to prevent overspending and maintain financial control. To start, setting realistic budgets for your campaigns and sales operations is key to ensuring that you stay on track. Next, it's crucial to allocate resources effectively across different channels and teams, prioritizing those that drive the most value. Finally, be sure to regularly adjust your budgets based on performance metrics so you can optimize spending and maximize results. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for, cost reduction strategies. To begin, start by identifying inefficiencies in your current processes. Look for opportunities to optimize your marketing spend by focusing on high-impact channels with minimal financial investment, such as social media and SEO. In addition, automation can be your best friend. By automating repetitive tasks, you can free up your team's time and resources for more strategic initiatives. Ultimately, these steps will help streamline operations and drive better results without breaking the bank. To understand your strategy's impact, analyzing cost structure for ROI helps evaluate the effectiveness of your sales and marketing. To begin with, leverage analytics tools to assess campaign performance, track core metrics, and uncover areas where you can improve. What's even more important is focusing on strategies that offer the highest return on investment, ensuring you're spending your resources wisely. In doing so, you'll be able to fine-tune your approach, leading to continuous growth and better overall outcomes. Also, do not overlook the relationship between cost structure and pricing strategy, as it is the key to business success. Understanding your costs helps set competitive prices that ensure profitability. By regularly reviewing costs and adjusting prices accordingly, businesses can maintain healthy margins without compromising quality. This strategic approach ensures flexibility and adaptability, allowing businesses to stay competitive while optimizing both pricing and resource management. Let's take a brief look at some real-world examples of companies that have successfully optimized their cost structures. Nike reduced reliance on costly TV ads by shifting to digital platforms like social media and influencer partnerships, cutting their marketing spend. Coca-Cola replaced traditional ads with content marketing, creating shareable content to engage their audience. And Unilever focused on social media to effectively target their demographic. These companies showcase how digital strategies can reduce costs while improving efficiency and resource allocation. Advanced concepts are transforming cost management practices. AI and machine learning are optimizing cost structures by automating processes and offering predictive insights. With predictive analytics, you can forecast future sales and marketing fees, enabling more proactive decision-making. Furthermore, balancing cost reduction with ethical considerations ensures that savings are achieved without compromising fairness, protecting your brand's reputation while driving efficiency. Managing costs effectively requires the right tools and techniques. Cost tracking tools, such as expense management software, CRMs, and analytics platforms, allow for real-time monitoring of your expenses. Break-even analysis helps determine the point at which your sales cover expenses, guiding pricing and sales strategies. Additionally, scenario planning lets you model different cost structures, allowing for better preparedness in adjusting to market changes and optimizing your financial decisions. Avoiding common mistakes is important to managing costs effectively. One mistake is ignoring hidden costs in your campaigns and operations, which can quickly add up and undermine your budget. Another pitfall is overinvesting in underperforming channels. It's essential to assess and shift resources to more effective ones. Lastly, failing to adapt your cost structures to market changes can lead to inefficiencies. Regular reviews and flexibility are crucial for staying competitive and maximizing returns. To wrap things up, sales and marketing cost structures are evolving with key trends. Subscription-based models and pay-as-you-go services offer more adaptable and budget-friendly solutions. Meanwhile, technology and automation are transforming how businesses control expenditures and enhance productivity. At the same time, sustainability and ethical considerations are taking center stage, urging businesses to balance saving strategies with responsible practices. Adapting to these trends will ensure your business stays competitive and future-proof. By implementing the strategies and insights we've discussed, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your spending, maximizing your ROI, and driving sustainable growth for your business. For more details, be sure to check the attached article. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more videos to help you take your business to the next level and achieve outstanding results.